Hello everybody, today we'll be doing the second part of Flatten a multi-level doubly linked list. If you haven't seen the first part, please check it out. In this part, we will only be going over a very quick solution of the iterative solution of this problem. And this basically means that our time space, our time is going to be O of n for each node. And our space is going to be O of 1 for pointers. So there's basically no additional space used. So for our match, how we're going to do this is we're going to do this iteratively. And this hinges upon a different idea that we have done earlier. Earlier, we did it recursively. That means we dug as deeply as possible to manage each child as we continued through the problem. So we went to 3, then we went to 8, we pulled this 11 and 12 into the 8, and then we pulled, after we completed this, then we pulled the 7 into this and completed the whole entirety of this problem and moved all the way to the end of the tail. And that way we kind of, that was one way we did it. Now this other way is iterative, because what we're going to do here is we're going to go to 3, we're going to get the child, go to the end, take the end, attach it to our next node, and set the next node to be child. And that way, what happens is that we will do this iteratively, and we'll go from 7, and then we'll go through 8, and then we'll go down to 11, and we do 12, right? And we grab this, we throw it back into 8, and then our new next is going to be 11. So that's essentially what we're going to do. I think this means that we have basically sacrificed a little bit of time for space. Because earlier what we did was we went down, and we pulled these. We had the tail. So we basically skipped all the way to our tail. That's our next item. We only go through this once, as I said earlier. But now we go through it 2 more times. Because we go all the way to the end and then we start making operations on it. So the plan is to go to each node. If child node, then what we're going to do here is get to the end of the child, attach to next if it exists, set next node to check to be child. Yeah, and that's and we continue all the way, iterate till node is none. So this is pretty simple. So let's set cur to head, and while cur, if cur dot child is equal to cur dot child, and while child dot next, then what we're gonna do is set child equals child dot next. So this will help us get to the end. So child, once we hit the end, child dot next is equal to our cur dot next, and that means that we have hit the end. If cur dot next, that means that next exists. Then cur.next.prev is going to be the child. So to form that doubly linked list. So again, let's draw out the solution that we have right now. So we have 1, points to 2, points to 3. We went down to 7. We went to 8. 9 and 10. We're currently at 10, right? And our next item is going to be a 4. 4, 5, and 6. Let's just skip the 11, 12 for now. Or let's just skip it altogether. And if we can get this done, then we can get anything done. Okay, so we attached this item to the next item, current.next. So this is child. This is going to be our current. And this is going to be our next. Okay, so we attached it to our next, and if there is a next, then we point it back at the child, which is here. So what are we missing? Well, what we're missing here is the child still exists, so that means that we need to set cur dot next is equal to cur dot child, and basically this sets the tail basically, and this sets the head. Okay, so cur.next is equal to cur.child now, and cur.child.prev is equal to cur. So it points back at cur. Okay, so now cur.child can be equal to none. So with that, we have basically set our we have set our item here to be the child, and child is now none. So with that, we have completed that problem, and we can move on to the next node. So cur equals cur.next, which is going to basically be the child, and we can return the head. Let's run the code and see if this works. Oh, yes, my examples here. Oh, look, it's great. It works very well. And let's check. Yeah, perfect. And with that, we have done the iterative solution for flatten a doubly linked list. That was pretty fun. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. If you want more videos like this, comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.